Hey Jackie, where are you? Where are you, Jackie? Come on. Where are you? Come on, here. Come on here, Jackie. Oh, little boy, you so smart, huh? You come on here. You want some peanut? Hey, get some peanut. Okay, here. Wow. Hey, Jackie, here. Get your peanut here, boy. Come here. Come here. Hey, here. Come on, get your peanut here. You want more peanut? Okay, come here. Hey, some peanut here. Come here. Here. Wait. Come here. One more peanut. Come on, Jackie. Here. Oh, big boy, huh? Big boy looking for peanut. Here. Wait. Stand up. Stand up. Good boy. Stand up. Good boy. Stand up. You done? You want more? Stand up. Here, come on, here. Stand up. Up. Wow, you catch them very good. Hey, Jack. Okay, stand up. Stand up here, Jack. Stand up. Come on. Here. Up. One more, Jack. Here, Jack. Wait, stand up. Okay, stand up high. Go. Get it. boy, you make me tired. My knee hurt, okay? We have to do fast. Let me get. Let me get more here. Here. You want more? Wow, he is good, boy. Come on, here. Hey. Come on, here. Stand up. Good boy. Stand up, good boy. My God. Come here, boy. Yeah. Come on. Here. Come on. You got it? Come here. Take the camera. His name is Jackie. See that? Hey, little Jackie boy. Huh? Jackie boy? You like it, Jackie? Wait, boy. Wait. Here. More. You don't want more peanut? Here. You love the peanut, right? Good boy. You see how you eat? Wow. Look at your tail. So beautiful. Huh? You are a beautiful animal. Where is your girlfriend? Your girlfriend is at work, right? Your girlfriend is Agnes Singotiko. Here. Come on. Get more. Here. Good one. You got it, boy. You know, this animal, he was really my enemy in the past because he ate all the fruit in the backyard, and we were really enemies together because he wasting a lot of fruit in the trees and wasting all the fruit, taking all the fruit from the tree, and now he's our best friend here, our best friend in the neighborhood. You see, he come every day. There are 3 of them. They have Jackie, the other one is Boy, that is a thief. That one just pick up the peanut and run away all the time. And then you have a younger one that is still scared. That one is very young, so you know, has to be trained to be a real good friend that can be close to you in the future. Okay, boy, come on, get more some here. Here, don't steal there, don't steal here. Pick them here from here. Yeah, go, pick them up. Okay. Okay, boy, I got tired now. I got tired to lay down here because of my knee, you know. My knee is not that good because I did some operation last time. Very bad, you know, 2 months already. I did my operation on February the 14th. Got a replacement knee. I can't sleep at night. It hurt like hell. So, you know what I mean? It's not that fun. Even if I stay home, I cannot stay for a long time sitting down on the chair. You know what I mean? So I got little friends here and there. I got my bird, I got my turtle. And this boy is still hungry. Are you still hungry? Hey, don't steal everything. Okay, here. Get it. Okay. Thank you, boy. Thank you, guys. Today is April the 25th, 2007, and I don't know, next year someone else has to be a friend because we are going to move to Hawaii in 2008, so this animal needs someone else, you know, that can treat them and love them because, you know, to us the nature is very important. Everything what has a life is very important to us. Okay, here. Get more. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. I will say hi to your girlfriend, Agnes Singotiko. Okay, bye. You gotta go to Carlos Santana. Yeah. This side. Here, here. Boy.
Things I wanna see. And in the night, you are my dream. You're everything to me. You're the love of my life.
We got also parakeet in here. His name is Dumbi, and that one is Dumba. Okay, and we have the canary, and his name is Chuchu. He sings very good. See that? Come on, Chuchu. Hi, Chuchu. Okay. There you go. Bring you now to the big turtles. These are Chacha and Chichi. Beautiful turtles. Bring us a lot of luck. And they are so funny. They grow so big now. As you've seen, they got good maintained pond that they can play around. Yeah, for sure. See, you got a waterfall. They are so cute, and they always know who the owners are. They would like to be treated as a real turtle. Okay, we do love animals, and we have a lot of pets. Thank you. I just want to show you the other fish tank. It is not for fish, it is more for the turtle. You see? That's another turtle there. He's very happy in the tank, and every day we have to feed them, you know, with good turtle feed. A lot of turtle food, I mean. Okay? This is the way I call the turtle to come to me. See that? He's coming. Beautiful. Hello.